Guys, so right now I have my E-flite UMX Yak 54. Last time this thing was flown, it got busted up pretty good. So this thing sadly cannot use any of the CAs to glue. Even foam safe CA would just eat away at the foam. So it's pretty much meticulously repaired by scotch tape and a little bit of the Gorilla clear tape, just for rigidity in the frame area. But majority of it, there's quite a bit of tears here, here. These have all been repaired. Same with here, and as you can tell in the wings, even the body down here, the rudder, elevator. So quite some extensive damage, but you know, it's foam, so they're pretty easy to repair. So I have 2 batteries charged up. I'm going to take it out to the front yard and get a couple flights in and see how it does. Alright, let's see how it does. Get out of the sun. There we go. Significant amount of wind right now for a little UMX, but it's holding up good. So far so good. Doesn't look like the scotch tape that I put on there is affecting the weight much. Still very durable and kind of straight.